Take our viewers to another story that is coming from the national capital. Ahead of the upcoming elections in the national capital, tensions are rising between the LG and the Chief Minister over the demolition of religious structures. Now, the controversy began when Atishi, who's the Chief Minister of the national capital, accused the LG of issuing demolition orders for religious buildings with communal intentions. Now, in response to that, the LG's office had dismissed these claims, releasing documents that suggested that former Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal and other Aam Aadmi Party leaders had also approved similar demolitions in the past. Now, meanwhile, the Bharatiya Janata Party quickly weighed in, accusing the Aam Aadmi Party of lying and fraud and suggesting that the party is trying to divert attention from its own failure. Listen in to the war of words.
झूठ बोलना और फ्रॉड और फरेब करना आम आदमी पार्टी की फितरत है। एएपी का मतलब है और अधिक प्रोपेगेंडा और अधिक प्रपंच। जो कह रहे थे दूसरों पर कि वो मंदिर तोड़ रहे थे, दरअसल उनका सच अब सामने आ चुका है। इसका मतलब साफ है कि हिंदू मंदिरों को टारगेट करने का काम तो खुद आम आदमी पार्टी कर रही थी, पर दोष किसी और पर लगाती है, और इनकी तो फितरत ही यही है। आज क्योंकि वादों पर रिपोर्ट कार्ड देने की हैसियत या स्थिति में नहीं है, तो केवल और केवल डाइवर्ट करने के लिए कभी कोई मुद्दा कभी दूसरा मुद्दा लेकर आते हैं। अगर ये कटिबद्ध है तो मंदिरों के विषय में जो इनके नेताओं ने बोला है उस पर क्या कार्रवाई की, और इनके तो अलायंस से हर रोज एक नया बयान निकलता है, सनातन विरोधी बयान। आम आदमी पार्टी सबसे फ्रॉड पार्टी है।
Well, remember earlier the Chief Minister of Delhi, Atishi, had in fact claimed that LG had ordered demolition of the religious structures here in the national capital, a charge that was denied by the LG office. Now, in fact, the LG has rebutted to Chief Minister's temple demolition charges. What he said is that Arvind Kejriwal, who has been the former Chief Minister of the national capital, recommended demolition of 9 temples in the national capital. The second, in fact, rebuttal is that the ex-minister Satyendra Jain approved demolition of 8 temples. So 9 temples by the Chief Minister, 8 by him. Total of 24 religious structures approved for demolition by the ex-Chief Minister. And this is Arvind Kejriwal that he's talking about. 22 temples and 1 Muslim religious structures approved for demolition during the reign of Arvind Kejriwal. Now, Satyendra Jain rejected the recommendation for demolition of 2 mazars. So in total, what the LG office is claiming that 24 demolition orders were given by the Aam Aadmi Party. Aam Aadmi Party should apologize and refrain from cheap politics. So this is what he said, that all of this is cheap politics. So let me go across to my colleague Teshri, who continues to be live with us. Teshri, firstly, a claim was made by the current Chief Minister of the national capital. She has said that LG had ordered demolition of religious structure, a charge that he had dismissed. Now, another claim that is now coming from LG, that it was in fact the former Chief Minister of the Delhi, that is Arvind Kejriwal, he had ordered demolition of 24 religious structures. Give us more details about this.
Well, you see, this entire matter escalated at the point of time when Chief Minister Atishi wrote a letter to Lieutenant Governor of Delhi, V.K. Saxena, and in that particular letter, she alleged that it is it is LG who is giving the instructions to demolish the religious structure, and not just that, she also further requested to the LG to not to demolish the religious structures, particularly temples and the Buddhist religious structure. In response to that, the LG Secretariat clearly mentioned that the Chief Minister should not play petty politics over this entire issue, and not just that, but also said that she should pay attention on the work that has to be done by the Delhi government. And number 3, he also mentioned that no such order has been issued or has been implemented or will be followed, and in fact no such instruction have been given from the LG Secretariat. Then again we saw that there were the documents that were released by the LG Secretariat, and in which all these documents are highlighting the fact that during the time when Arvind Kejriwal was Chief Minister, at that particular point of time itself, the decision to demolish the religious structures were given. And not just that, but it also highlights the numbers. If we see the numbers, then out of 24 religious structures, there are 22 temples. The demolition instruction to demolish 22 temples was given, and 1 was a Muslim religious structure. Now we'll have to see, in fact, that what other senior leaders of Aam Aadmi Party say, and what particularly the Chief Minister Atishi herself responds to this entire matter, because you see, as far as the entire controversy is concerned, which has stirred a massive, in fact, political war of words, this will again escalate, because we are, in fact, moving closer towards the Delhi elections, and in fact, in few weeks from now only, the Delhi elections will be held. So yes, certainly we'll have to see that where does this go. However, there has been no instruction given as of now by the LG Secretariat to, in fact, demolish any kind of religious structure.
Absolutely. So LG has called this cheap politics. It remains to be seen how Aam Aadmi Party reacts to this. Thank you, Tejshri.